The most valuable currencies on Earth. 1. The Swiss franc. The Swiss franc, CHF, valued at approximately $1.24, earns its reputation not through oil or minerals, but through the geopolitical luxury of trust. Switzerland's long-standing neutrality, rigorous banking privacy laws, and a monetary policy with an allergy to inflation make CHF the world's financial panic room. When investors get the shakes, they head straight for the Alps. Footnote: the Swiss franc thrives on global trust, not natural resources. 2. The Cayman Islands dollar. Valued at $1.20 and pegged to the U.S. dollar, the Cayman Islands dollar is the crown jewel of Caribbean tax havens. Its power doesn't stem from local GDP but from its role as a shelter for trillions in global capital. Offshore banking, hedge funds, and the tax-free climate make this beach currency a financial iceberg. 9/10 of its might lies beneath the surface. Footnote: the Cayman Islands dollar leverages tax haven status to maintain high value. 3. The Gibraltar pound. Pegged 1-to-1 with the British pound sterling, the Gibraltar pound has an approximate value of $1.33. Gibraltar's currency combines the flair of a tiny Mediterranean port with the financial credibility of the UK. With revenues from shipping, online gaming, and tourism, this rock holds more monetary muscle than its size would suggest. Footnote: Gibraltar's economy rides on British stability with its own fiscal twist. 4. The British pound. Clocking in at around $1.33, the British pound is the world's oldest currency still in use. It's the economic echo of an empire, backed by London's position as a global finance hub. Its enduring influence is a masterclass in the monetary staying power of legacy institutions. Footnote: the British pound remains strong through institutional depth and historical legacy. 5. The Jordanian dinar. Valued at $1.41, the Jordanian dinar is an economic anomaly in a region fueled by oil. Jordan has none. The currency's strength is manufactured through strict monetary policy and a fixed peg to the U.S. dollar. It's more of a diplomatic ambassador than a petroleum-backed asset. Footnote: the Jordanian dinar proves monetary value can stem from discipline, not resources. 6. The Omani Rial. Worth approximately $2.60, the Omani Rial flexes with a combination of oil wealth and future forward investments. Oman is hedging its petro bets by diversifying into logistics, tourism, and agriculture. Its currency isn't just rich, it's wise. Footnote: Oman leverages oil wealth to build a diversified economy, bolstering the rial. 7. The Bahraini dinar. Valued at $2.65, Bahrain's dinar is a dual threat, oil wealth and a regional financial center. It's a polished product of Gulf petroleum and Wall Street know-how. Investment banks and oil rigs keep it afloat, while global investors help keep it rising. Footnote: Bahrain mixes oil and finance to make the dinar a high-value hybrid. 8. The Kuwaiti dinar. At a jaw-dropping $3.27, the Kuwaiti dinar is the undefeated champion of currency value. Backed by vast oil reserves and pegged to a basket of global currencies, it's the monetary equivalent of a golden anchor. Even a full-scale invasion didn't kill it. Kuwait demonetized the stolen currency and rebooted its economy with surgical precision. Footnote: the Kuwaiti dinar's value is built on oil, strategic currency pegging, and crisis resilience. Conclusion: currency value isn't a popularity contest. The U.S. dollar may dominate global trade, but the real powerhouses in purchasing strength are often hiding in plain sight. Whether it's history, trust, oil, or financial engineering, the currencies on this list prove one thing: when it comes to money, value is where you least expect it. Footnote. The true strength of a currency lies in trust, strategy, and economic resilience, not global trade volume.